Okay, in part A, I want to make A the subject of the formula that is given there. When we say we want to make A the subject, where must A be? Left-hand side of the equal sign. Okay, so take note. The subject must always be on the left-hand side. However, don't be too quick. Let's take a look at the formula given here. Is A already on the left-hand side? Please take a look at the formula. Is A already on the left-hand side? Okay, if A is already on the left-hand side, do we need to do any mutual swap? No need. So, just have to copy the formula as it is. If it's not on the left-hand side, then you do a mutual swap. So, in this case, no need. Okay, so let me copy down the formula. Like I always say, we take care of the term that is further away first. Take note, A is on the left-hand side. So we keep A. Which is the term that is further away from A? Alright, there's an invisible positive sign in front of 2D. Take note, I want to keep A on the left-hand side. So our job is to balance the further term. In this case, if I need to balance positive 2D on the other side, positive 2D will become negative 2D. So I'm going to write the next step. C minus 2D. Next, I still want to make A the subject. Is A the only thing that's on the left-hand side? There is still a negative 5. And take note, like I said the other day, what is the meaning of negative 5A? There's something invisible there also. Okay, you need to divide. But before that, take note, this is seen as negative 5 times A. Alright, so now I need to take care of the negative 5. I don't want a negative 5. Why? I want A by itself. I only want a 1A. How to get from negative 5 to 1? Not divide by 5. Divide by negative 5. So if I divide by negative 5 here, I also need to divide by negative 5 on the right-hand side. Yes, it will still be negative. Negative 5 divided by negative 5, you can press your calculator, you get a positive 1. And the other day I also say, if you write divide, other than writing divide, what's another way we can represent it? Fraction, thank you. Over. So this will conclude part A. Why? Because A must be the subject for the formula. Okay, that's for part A. Alright, in part B, I want to make S the subject. Again, if you want to make S the subject, S must be on the left-hand side. But take a look at the formula. Is there S on the left-hand side? Yes. But is there also S on the right-hand side? Yes. Okay, so no choice. We need to make sure all the S are on the left-hand side. In this case, do I need to do mutual swap? No need, because there's already S on the left-hand side. So, let me copy the question again. Alright? Alright, the key idea is to make sure S is on the left-hand side. So what do you do? This S is already on the left-hand side, no need to do anything. But there is a negative S over here. So, negative S, I need to make sure I balance it to the left-hand side. Negative S, when you balance on the other side, will become positive. So I'm going to write that down first, like what Suni said. 2S, from negative S, balance to the left-hand side, become positive S. but I don't want the negative 5. So, I don't want the negative 5 on the left-hand side. I balance it on the right-hand side. Negative 5, when you balance on the right-hand side, will become positive 5. Let me write that down again. So, 2s plus s equal to 3t plus 5. We have learned before. 2 snake plus 1 snake, total 3 snake, 3s. Again, we are going to make use of the same trick. I don't want 3s. I only want 1s. What must I divide? Divide by 3. So I divide by 3 on the left. I will also divide by 3 on the right. But if I don't write divide by 3, I can write as a fraction. Thank you, Danny. And because 1 is invisible, I don't have to write down number 1. Okay? Then, S is the subject of this particular formula.